Yes, get ready for legal dictation containing 550 words at the speed of 110 words per minute. The dictation will fluctuate between the speed of 105 words to 115 words per minute. Let's start. 3 seconds. Start. Admittedly, none of JVG group of companies could alienate or sell any of its assets after 3/9/2002 as the learned company court had interdicted the same. TCL claims that since it had entered into the agreements to sell in respect of the said lands prior to 3/9/2002, the sale and purchase transactions were not affected by the orders passed by the learned company court and that the said lands are required to be transferred to TCL. The Threja Committee was formed by the order dated 10/3/2006 passed by the Learned Company Court in order to examine the claims filed by various investors. In the first instance, the Threja Committee examined the various claims in respect of the properties of JVG Group of Companies. TCL had filed an application CA number 1171 2003 for permission for completing the process of execution of the sale deeds and registration of the said lands. The said application was disposed of by the learned company court by an order dated 10/3/2006 with a direction to TCL to place its claims before the Threja Committee. Accordingly, TCL placed its claims before the Threja Committee and, in support of its claims, filed the documents being the agreements to sell the GPAs executed by Mr. Vijay Kumar Sharma on behalf of the selling companies, extract of the minutes of the board of directors of the companies, few receipts purportedly issued by the said company and certificates dated 1/5/2006 and 4/5/2006 issued by the State Bank of Bikaner and Jaipur and Punjab National Bank respectively, certifying that TCL had withdrawn cash on various dates between 17/5/2002 and 23/5/2002 from its bank accounts. The Threja Committee examined the said documents and submitted the 13th report dated 5/2007, thereby rejecting TCL's claims. The Threja Committee noted that as early as on 16/8/1999, the Learned Company Court had directed that a comprehensive affidavit be filed setting out the details of the assets of the three companies, namely JVG Finance Limited, JVG Leasing Limited, and JVG Securities Limited, as well as the other assets which were in the name of Mr. V.K. Sharma, Managing Director, as well as his wife and children. Mr. V.K. Sharma was also directed to provide details of all assets and funds invested in other companies by the aforementioned three companies as well as the assets held by other JVG group of companies. By a subsequent order dated 14/10/1999, directions were also issued for depositing title deeds of certain lands situated in district Gurugram, Haryana on the main Delhi-Jaipur highway. Thereafter, a contempt petition CCP number 20/2002 was filed by Chandigarh JVG Investors Welfare Society through its secretary against Sri V.K. Sharma and Sri Dinesh Goyal, alleging that the affidavit dated 8/9/1999 filed by Sri V.K. Sharma did not disclose several assets of JVG group of companies. They also alleged that the said contemner had begun the process of disposing of the properties located in Tehsil, Gurgaon, Haryana in villages Dinokari, Rathiwas and Sidharwali. Stop over.